It's good for you to provide voiceovers, but it'd be even better to help me handle some of these kitties. Oh, how did the consultation go? It's another story. Can the diligent caretaker finally relax about me now? I'm far healthier than them, unlike this one drinking too little water, or that one eating too fast. Already a professional caretaker, huh? Maybe we'll learn some scientific methods here that will encourage cats to drink. A pinch of calcium powder, a pump of fish oil. If catnip is for cats, then what do we call mint for humans? I can't believe it's not working. See? Both of you have the same speechless expression. There are dried catgrass sticks at the cafe. We stored them away because customers kept tripping on them. Should we repurpose them? First, you need to pick out catgrass with just the right firmness. You handled my tail with such vigor, and now you're so careful with these? Try tying it a bit tighter, like this. Don't worry, the dried catgrass is pretty resilient. It won't snap. Let's just give these to them, and we can make more back home. They're so tough. Nothing can beat them except for freeze-dried treats. That depends on whether you like them or not. For most people, it's probably a happy chore. It's like how you fuss over my shedding tail, but can't get enough of it. Am I wrong? Should we ask it then? I stand corrected. It said you were right. This is a very honest tale.